We're the ones they wanna be like. So don't let me down, keep me in trouble, born to be wild.
Hello, it's Monica and welcome back to my channel. Today we filmed, what do we call it? It's a little bit of a purple pop of color tutorial. The top part of my eyes is super neutral and I use the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette to do that. And I really love how it turned out. Really what's good about this look is it's super subtle, so you do get to include that pop of color, but then it's not so noticeable that you wouldn't be able to wear it out. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed it and subscribe to see more on my channel. So today we're filming another video and this is definitely a different one. Everyone around me is getting sick and I don't like it. I was ready to film a video, to be honest with you. It's 11:49, it's almost midnight. We're gonna start off with concealer on the eyes because that's super important. I'm gonna do one eye on camera, one eye off camera. That's how we're gonna do things on my channel from now on, because frankly it takes way too long to do both eyes. So there we go, I'll blend it out. Today we're gonna use our trusty 25A palette. This is the quickest, easiest palette you will ever buy. I love it so much. It is my holy grail palette. Why? Because I'm a warm color gal, but I like to distance myself from the reds sometimes and just stick to the classics, browns, auburns, burgundies, you know, gold. And this palette gives you all of that for a pretty good price. I think it was like 25 bucks when I bought it. It was like great. So I've been, you know, just enjoying life, enjoying this palette. This color that I'm gonna go in with is this one right here. I'm gonna go pat, pat, pat. The next color I'm gonna go in with is this one. Same brush, but we're gonna be a little more pokey with it. And I try to like pressure it into the crease so that it doesn't spread everywhere. So I want to tape up my eye. This brush right here, it looks like. We're gonna go into this color. So next color I'm going to go in with is this color right here. I find this really handy, especially with cut creases, because the brush really just like makes that line. And then when you cut the crease, it looks cool. So I was editing the video and I realized that when I was doing my cut crease with my concealer that the camera fully focused on the mirror in front of my face. So enjoy a little quick run through of an out of focus crease being cut.
Paint the bottom and you go, and that gives you your cut crease line. There we go. So then I'm just going to take some concealer in my hand.
I love this. I love that it helps so much. With this brush, I'm going to go into this color. Just going to go in with that. Sorry if the mirror's in the frame now. It's just like, I really do need to see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with this brush and just blend her out. And then I'm going to take this brush define the cut crease a little more. Okay, I'm going to blend her out. We'll take this tape off. And you got yourself a little sharp one right there. Whew. I'm going to do this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to do some mascara and curling, and we're going to add on our falsies. Recently I've been doing falsies without mascara, and I've kind of been liking how it's been looking. I'm going to do like a really light coat of mascara. These are the Huda Beauty lashes, by the way, in the style Sasha. So recently, what I've been really digging is, like, these lashes are meant to be applied more towards the outer corner, but I've been putting them more inward, and they give out such a cool, like, flary look. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's really nice. Look at that. Look at what a difference they make. Same concealer that I was using earlier. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. This is the Bye Bye Breakout Full Coverage Concealer by It Cosmetics, and it's my favorite concealer. And now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette, and I'm going in with this middle color. It's like a shimmery purple, and I'm taking this really thin brush, and I'm going to apply it to my waterline. There we go. I like that this is like a shimmery kind of pigment, so it doesn't look too dark. It's kind of like shiny. It's nice. And that really adds like more color to the look. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in the shade Lavender Steel. Oh god, I'm loving this. Okay. Okay, this is exciting. I like it. I like it. I'm having too much fun with these gray eyes. I'm gonna take my foundation stick. This is actually the concealer stick from Miniso. And I'm gonna just cover every single imperfection in just like one go. This is definitely not an everyday concealer. This is gonna clog your pores if you wear this every day. However, for events and stuff, this is perfect. It's full coverage. We're done with our foundation / concealer. Alright, and now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with bronze. I'm taking this brush to contour my nose with the same powder. And just underneath my lip too. Okay, so we're gonna go into blush. Oh, what blush do I use? For blush, I'm gonna go into this Mariposa blush palette, and we're gonna use the more purpley blush over here. And we're gonna pray that it's not as intense as I think it's gonna be. It's okay, we're good. I feel like once the highlight is added in, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna go into the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Glow Kit, and we're gonna use the shade Forever Young. Ooh, maybe a little up here. Started watching more makeup videos on YouTube. I feel like I always pick up something from everyone. We're gonna go back in with the same brush we used for the purple, and I'm gonna take the same shade Forever Young and just highlight the brow bone. We're gonna use this liner from NYX. It's the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew. Okay, and then instead of going in with the same type of shade, I'm gonna take a lighter shade. This is Kylie Cosmetics Mont Blanc lipstick. We're gonna layer that on top. And that looks nice, right? Ooh, I'm liking it. Okay. I love playing around with colors that go well with gray eyes. This is really different for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this tutorial. So this ended up being a purple pop of color eye look. The top is really neutral, and then the bottom has some purple going on. I had a lot of fun using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. I highly recommend it because not only in this video, but in my own everyday makeup routine, I've started using it and I'm just in love. There's rich, nice formulas in it. My favorite one has to be this middle one that I use today. I really like this palette. I may do a purple eye look. Stay tuned for that. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Monica Abdullahi, and I will have it linked down below. And I will also try to have most of the products linked down below too, so that you guys can recreate this as easily as possible. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to see more videos on my channel. See you guys soon. Mwah. Bye beauties.